Alright, now here is another brilliant feature which Samsung has added on One UI 5.0. Now as you can see, this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra which is running on One UI 5.0 beta. I will just open the quick panel here. I will press and hold on Wi-Fi. I will just tap on this three-dot button here. As you can see, we have got this feature called Intelligent Wi-Fi. Let me just tap on this. As you can see, we have got various toggles right here. Now, some of these options are also there on the previous version of One UI 4.1, and that is the reason I wanted to compare these features with the previous version, which is the One UI 4.1 running on this Note 20 Ultra. Now, let me just open the quick panel here as well. I will press and hold on the Wi-Fi network. Now, I'll tap on this three-dot button. As you can see, there is no intelligent Wi-Fi mentioned over here. But let me show you some of the features which are also there on this version of One UI. Let me just tap on Advanced here. As you can see, some of the features on this previous version are also available on this. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, as you can see, we have got Intelligent Wi-Fi mentioned over here. So we do have Intelligent Wi-Fi feature on One UI 4.1 as well. But here we have got a separate menu with some additional features on the latest version. Now, in the previous version, you can see under Intelligent Wi-Fi, we have switched to mobile data, which is also here on the new version. We have got turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Here we have got turn Wi-Fi on off automatically. Here it says turn on Wi-Fi automatically when you are in places you use it frequently and turn it off elsewhere, which means the Wi-Fi will be automatically turned off in places where you don't use it. Next one is Detect Suspicious Network. We have Detect Suspicious Network here as well. Then we have Show Network Quality Information. We have Show Network Quality Information here. Then we have Wi-Fi Power Saving Mode. We have got Wi-Fi Power Saving Mode here as well. It reduces the battery usage by analyzing Wi-Fi traffic patterns. This is a cool feature which we have on Samsung Galaxy phones. These are the few features which are on Intelligent Wi-Fi on One UI 4.1. Whereas on the new version, we have got some additional options as well. We have Switch to Better Wi-Fi Network. Automatically switch to Wi-Fi networks that are faster or more stable than your current network. To prevent interruptions, this only happens when the screen is off. That is intelligent indeed. It is going to automatically switch to Wi-Fi networks that are faster, and this switch will happen only when the screen is off to prevent the interruptions. That is amazing, isn't it? Then the next one is prioritize important data. It says give network priority to games, video calls, and other tasks that are sensitive to lag. Background data usage is given less priority. This sounds really great, isn't it? Whenever you are playing games or whenever you are on a video call or any other tasks that are sensitive to lag, the Intelligent Wi-Fi is going to prioritize those tasks by limiting the background data usage on the phone. These are some of the cool new additions on Intelligent Wi-Fi on One UI 5.0. Now let me just go back. I will tap on this three-dot button and tap on Advanced. Let's see what is available here. We have Sync with Samsung Cloud, which is also there on the advanced mode in the previous version. Then we have got Manage Network, Wi-Fi on-off history, which is also available under this network settings. As you can see right here, we have Manage Networks. And we have Wi-Fi control history. Here it says Wi-Fi on-off history. Then we have Hotspot 2.0, Hotspot 2.0, install network certificates, install network certificates. So all these features are separately mentioned under advanced setting, and under Intelligent Wi-Fi, we have got some of the features which were already there, and we do have some other additional features added under Intelligent Wi-Fi. Earlier we had Intelligent Wi-Fi and all other features under Advanced, but now on One UI 5.0 we have got a separate menu for Intelligent Wi-Fi which brings in a couple of brilliant features as well, and we have got Advanced separately mentioned here. These are a few changes which have happened on One UI 5.0 as far as the Wi-Fi options are concerned. Samsung did add some useful features under Intelligent Wi-Fi. Now, what do you think about these features? Do drop a comment and let me know in the comment section below. And while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel to watch some useful contents like this. And if you want to know your phone better, this is the channel you subscribe to. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, be sure you smash that like button as well. That's about it. That's all I have here in this video. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.